Get ready to rev your engines, for today's business spotlight is Ford's Garage. Recently located to Sanford, Ford's Garage offers American fare with a cool vintage vibe. Make no mistake, when you're stepping through those doors, you're stepping back in time, but you're stepping forward with some delicious food, drinks, and amazing staff. So let's take a peek inside this business and learn more about Ford's Garage.
So Ford's Garage started in Fort Myers, Florida in about 2012, right down the street from Henry Ford's winter home. As they grew, they decided they were going to branch out and realized that their logo is very similar to another major company. And so at that point, we partnered with Ford's Motor Company and became an official licensed product of Ford's Motor. We're known for our craft beers, our burgers, and also our bathrooms, which are very unique. We have a lot of comfort food, so besides burgers, we have meatloaf, chicken tenders, different soups, salads, so it's just a good feeling. American comfort food tastes great. We do catering through Easy Catering. We can also do on-site private events, and we also do carry-out through the major distributors of online services. So Sanford in this location was chosen just because it's ideally located between a couple major cities. Besides Sanford, to the north we have Orange City, and to the south we have Lake Mary and Altamont Springs. I've lived here since 2003, so I've been a part of the community. When I had the opportunity to come on and open this restaurant, I was super excited to do that. For the future of Ford's Garage, I see a lot of growth and opportunities, not only in-store but in the community. I've partnered with a lot of local nonprofits to highlight them and also highlight Sanford just as a whole.